In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot email tracking. By the end, you'll know how to turn on tracking in HubSpot, set up Gmail to send tracked messages, and understand the notifications you'll receive when someone engages with your email. First, let's make sure tracking is allowed in your HubSpot account. In HubSpot, click the gear icon to open settings. From there, go to Objects, then select Activities. Open the Email Log and Track tab and confirm that Allow all users to track emails is checked. This setting ensures your team can use HubSpot's tracking features, which record email opens and link clicks so you can see engagement in real time. If this option isn't enabled, you won't see tracking data, even if everything else is set up correctly. Next, set up Gmail for tracking. Install HubSpot's Gmail extension from the Chrome Web Store. This small add-on brings HubSpot's tracking tools directly into your Gmail Compose window. After installation, you'll notice new HubSpot options when you write an email. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions so the extension can function properly. Once it's installed, you're ready to compose tracked emails without leaving Gmail. When you're ready to send a tracked message, open Gmail and click Compose. Write your email as usual. Before you hit send, look at the bottom toolbar of the Compose window and make sure the Track checkbox is turned on. This is the key step that tells HubSpot to track opens and link clicks for this specific email. If you don't see the tracking option right away, give Gmail a quick refresh so the extension loads fully. Keeping an eye on that track box ensures you capture engagement data for each message you send. After your email goes out, it's time to monitor results. You'll receive real-time desktop pop-up notifications the moment a contact opens your email or clicks a link. These alerts help you understand when your message is getting attention and can guide timely follow-ups. You might see multiple notifications if the email is opened more than once or viewed on different devices. Keep in mind that some email clients or security tools may trigger opens through image previews, so treat notifications as indicators of activity rather than definitive proof of a full read. You can also review engagement details inside HubSpot on the contact's activity timeline for added context. That's it. Enable tracking in HubSpot settings, install the Gmail extension, check track before sending, and watch your notifications to stay on top of engagement.